Hello friends, myself Harshika and my new video about the Kundalini Rebirth and the Rainbow Bridge. So this is one of the last stage of the spiritual journey. The rebirth. The rebirth is not something you are uh, the rebirth is something you cannot explain by word. The rebirth is a stage when it's come after the death stage. This is a last stage, means now you are completed the dark night of soul of Kundalini awakening. So the rebirth is something you already face the stage of death. And this is not the physical death, this is a death of your old self, old belief system, old life, old toxic relationship. And rebirth is something now you are finally completed the karmic cycle and you are going the next stage. This is the next stage of the rebirth, means this is your second birth, this is your second life. As I told before, the Kundalini awakening is the longest and the toughest journey of the transformation, the spiritual transformation, when your 3D human self transforming into 12D angelic self. So this is the final stage when you completed as a life like a human, and now this is your new birth when you are starting your new life as an angel. So this is a Kundalini rebirth when you are finally completed the dark night of soul. You are completely awakened, you are completely healed, you are completely transformed. So this is the next stage, the rebirth. The rainbow bridge. The rainbow is, if I talk about the spiritual meaning of the rainbow. So the rainbow is the spiritual meaning of rainbow is a union, the balance, and the blessings. The spiritual meaning of the rainbow, it's the rainbow bridge is something, it's something like when your 3D self is 3D grounded self, like your soul self is completely merged with your higher self, like spirit self. So this is the rainbow bridge. In my previous video, I explained about the soul matrix, how souls are going to be a split when the child is incarnated on earth, how the mind can split. Our mind can divide it into conscious, subconscious and unconscious mind. That's why the soul is going to be a split into soul self and the spirit self. So this is a rainbow bridge which is between your higher self to the soul self, and your and the both part of the soul is completely merged into one again. And this is the ending, the permanent ending of the soul matrix. So rainbow bridge is something like your permanent end of the soul matrix. Your splitted soul, means the spirit self and the soul self both are going to be one again. So this is the rebirth, and this is a bridge which is not, this is a rainbow bridge, means the seven color, and this beautiful bridge manifest inside you, not the outside world, and you are the person who actually manifesting this bridge. This you are doing the regular spiritual practice from the day by day, month by month and the year by year. When you complete the ascension journey, you are creating this beautiful bridge inside you, inside your mind. This and with this bridge, your soul self is complete, your soul self, your, you can say, the grounded self, which is a karmic part, it's completely merged with your spirit self, your higher self, and you both are become one again. So this is the rainbow bridge. The seven color is manifested by the seven chakras. You awaken your seven chakra, and this seven chakra gives this seven chakra create this beautiful rainbow bridge inside you. Like the root chakra is linked with your unconscious mind, it's giving the red color. The sacral chakra, it's giving the orange color. The sacral chakra gives, it's connected with the subconscious mind. The solar plexus chakra is connected with the gut feeling. Heart chakra is connected with the unconditional love. Third chakra is connected with the communications and self expression. It's give the blue color. And the third eye chakra is connected with the unconditional truth, and the crown chakra is a direct connection from the divine. So this seven color of these seven chakra is manifesting the rainbow bridge inside you. So you are the person who actually creating this rainbow bridge inside your mind, and your both two half self, both two part of your soul is completely one again. It's a law of one, the oneness inside you. Now you are the whole person, now you are the complete person. So this is a next stage of the Kundalini transformation, when you achieve the stage of the non-duality. Because as I explained, the Kundalini is always emitting the tri-consciousness waves. Means there is a three flames in a Kundalini: the violet flame, the white silver flame, and the golden flame. So these are the three flame of the Kundalini, and these three flames of the Kundalini creating the tri-consciousness in your mind. And these tri-consciousness, these tri-waves creating the non-duality. And after reaching the stage of the non-duality, when your mind has become one, and you completely resolved your shadow self, you completely and your past cycles, your wounded child is completely healed, your junk DNA is completely healed, then the next stage is a rainbow bridge. After the stage of non-duality, when your mind is one again, now there is no conscious, no subconscious, or no unconscious, your mind is whole again. Then the next stage is a rainbow bridge. Then the rainbow bridge is manifesting inside you, inside your mind, and your spirit self is again merged with your soul self, and you are the one again. So this is a Kundalini rainbow bridge. So this is one of the final stage of the Kundalini. This is the stage comes after the dark night of soul. So hope you like this video, and if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel, you can like, comment and share. If you want, you can help me in Patreons. If you like my work, you can help me in a Patreon. And if you're interested in a private reading and session, the all information is given below. If you want to learn a deep knowledge, you can purchase my book, which is available on the Amazon Kindle. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you.